Hello and welcome to the 15 Successes of a Marketing Master. This is a playlist course that I am releasing free on YouTube, Udemy and Facebook. And so please do watch it in order from the first one to the last one, 1 to 15. It's a lot of fun and I had a lot of fun inventing it. And the idea is to take you through a journey as with all our courses, conceptually, because success in marketing and business is not just about doing the doing, it's conceptualizing and understanding the psychology, the thinking, and the motivation that you need, your customers need, etc. So hopefully have a lot of fun discovering the 15 successes of a marketing master, and I hope that you will join me on some of our other courses on Udemy and on our free Facebook group, and I look forward to seeing you soon.